Hey guys, and how's it going? I'm going to show you guys the rebuild of my blue trailer here. I rebuild the floor on it. Right now it's got some lawnmowers in there I got to repair. I redid the floor on it. It's got all weather treat wood on there now and stuff. Rebuild the sides of it. They're kind of, might be a little janky, but they're holding up so far. I put deck screws in there to hold it up. Rebuild the front of it. This the back of it. I'm not able to use the little things here anymore. So what I did is I took the hinges. I got some from Free Wood. I picked up in town and stole the hinges off of it. And got this. I'll show you guys real quick. Let me lift it up. Lift it up here, and the gate actually goes this way instead. And I took the little, I bought some eye hooks and stole the chain off a swing set. And I'm gonna use these to hook the gate together on it. Got one on each side here. These are like hooks for the normal, like if you're hanging stuff up in the garage there. So, of course, if you want to put anything in there, you just let it down and be able to hoist it up. Also, I redid the ramps here. I put some different, they used to have the ones on there where they latched onto those hooks back there. So I bought these off Facebook Marketplace for I think 10 bucks, and put those on there, and you can be able to put those on the back of that ramp there and use that. So all in all, it turned out really good, better than I thought it was going to turn out. So I'll just give you guys a look over here. Eventually I want to get some hubcaps for it, especially on this side. I got this one off of out of the junkyard because the other wheel was bent and it was wobbling. So that rim's actually a little bit bigger than the one on the other side, for which I had an Oldsmobile hubcap, which I got on this one right now, and this rim's a little smaller, so I'm not able to use that Oldsmobile hubcap on that side. So right now I want to get a matching set for it. I'll probably leave it the color it is now. I don't think I'm going to change it. I'll just leave it as is. It's just a trailer to haul the bigger mowers in, riding mowers in. And then of course I use my red one right here for the, like if I get the push mowers and stuff, it's easier to deal with that there. So this one quick little video on this mower, I mean not mower, my trailer here. I wanted to show you guys that it got rebuilt. Probably do a little bit better. I might bulk up the sides right there better. Not sure yet, but it's actually holding out pretty good. Haven't used it yet to put any mowers on, riding mowers on there. So eventually I will. Then I'll probably do a video then when I do it, because I need to work on some riding mowers, and probably test it out then and see how it works. But quick little update on this trailer. Just wanted to show you guys it, how I rebuild it and all this stuff. Oh, this is how I got the floor holding down right now too. I got a board here going across here all the way through, and then there's one on the back also where I had the gate lifted up. There's actually a board right along there too, or I'll just lift this up real quick and you guys can see that board right there where the hinge is on. Actually it's right here, sorry. Right there is where the board is for it. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you guys that trailer rebuilt there. So catch you guys on the next one.